Good morning, Fred. We are at the UK Mall, or in Westlands, which is currently being demolished right now. We've just arrived here around 20-30 minutes ago, and the demolition has been going on. According to the residents who we've spoken to, they say the demolition has been going on since 5 a.m. in the morning. Now, the noises you can hear, I don't know if you can hear the noises. There's a loud noise coming from behind. They've already cleared the fence of this place, so the bulldozers have been here since 5 a.m. in the morning, and there's a lot of security. And what is interesting is that the traders inside the mall are telling us that in fact all of their stuff and most of their stuff is still inside the mall. We've spoken to one trader who's told us that she has a car in the basement parking, and she also has a shop inside, and all her property is still inside the building. Now, they said that they got a notice to vacate until Tuesday, but then the demolition started today, and some of the traders are saying that they still have maybe half of their property still inside the shops, and some of it is they managed to remove some of it, but some of them, not all of it. Some of them just are watching helplessly because it doesn't seem like the people who are demolishing are going to let them remove their stuff. So that is what is happening inside right now.
If we draw comparisons with what happened at Southend Mall, the traders were allowed, they were given a few hours to actually retrieve some of their property. You say that some of the traders say there some vehicles are still parked in the basement as we speak?
All right, Fred, I just got one of the traders from inside the mall who's going to speak to us. Hello, what's your name?
I'm Viral. I'm not a trader. I manage this property. But just to give the nation some clarifications, you know, we don't realize that, number one, there is no any such river under this property. The nation's being cheated repeatedly whatsoever, that there is a stream which is at the back of the building. Number one, the government, any agency, whether NEMA, City Council, or any other head,
get away from them.
Nobody has ever issued us a notice either. Okay? Nobody had ever marked the building for demolition. So in spite of all of this, in spite of us going to the court and seeking a stay order, which we have received, in spite of that, this clearly shows impunity and that there is no law in this country. It is a shame. It is a shame that this is the kind of action and inhuman manner that we are working towards. What kind of example are we giving the investors in this country?
And we've spoken to some of the traders who say that there have been meetings with the traders inside, and they've been told that there was a vacation notice up to next Tuesday. What about that?
Nothing of that sort. We had a stay order. We had a parliamentary committee meeting today. It was all discussed. NEMA put their hands up and started claiming that we have not given any notice whatsoever. It was until members in that meeting were shown that you are the same person who has signed all these approvals that we have received. Each and every approval has been granted. Nothing that you see over here has gone through any sort of shortcuts whatsoever.
So you're saying that NEMA are the same people who approved this building, and now they're the same ones who are demolishing
Exactly. NEMA were the same people who have approved this building. We have all of our structural drawings approved. We have all of our architectural drawings approved as well. So in fact, they are shocked. They don't know. They cannot explain themselves for taking such an action.
And what is the exact reason they gave you for the demolition that's happening?
They have not given us any reason whatsoever. The reason or the news that we have received is all from the social media and the press, that the next building, and when you see in the newspapers that UK Centre is going to be the next one which is going to be demolished. That's how we have started taking preventive measures, by letting all of our tenants know that it would be advisable that you start moving out things. But it's not any formal notice that has come to us till today.
And when did the traders start removing some of their stuff?
Well, this has been happening over the last 48 hours continuously. We have close to about 50 tenants, 50 traders, 50 different entities that have started removing